What's going on, y'all? Today we're going to be changing the front brake pads on the 2025 Kia Seltos. Alright, with our car safely jacked up in the air, we can take our 21mm, check off the tires. Just like that. Remove the tire. Quick inspection of the rotor, front and back. This rotor seems to have a little scoring, so this is going to need to be replaced. But for now, we'll just do the pads. From here, we'll take our 14mm right here at the bottom. And crank it loose just like that. Use your hand. Just like that. You can flip the caliper up, remove these, take one side out, other side, put it aside, just like that. Now we can remove the brake pads, just like that. Take it out, once that up in, there it goes. You can see these are pretty bad. And you can see this scoring a little better here. Here we're going to remove these old clips. Take some of our new hardware. We'll install it just like this. Press it on in, both sides. Just like that, you'll hear the click. Same thing with the other side. Come around and you just push it up right on here. You see the little tabs on both sides, just like that. Make sure it's secure. Take your new brake pad, make sure it's in the right direction, and you're going to install it just like so. With both the brake pads installed, go ahead and take your new springs. We're gonna line them up with the holes right here. All right, so you're gonna place one right there, pinch it, one right there, just like that. Same thing with the bottom. You're gonna grab them, line it right there, and there. Come on. Come on. Just like that. Retract our caliper, just like this. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze and push this back. So just like that, see it's going back. Going until it's all the way back. Just like that. Alright. From here, lay this back down. Just like that. Just like that. We'll put our 14 back in. Turn this back down. Nice and snug. Put your tire back on, and you're done with the same thing on this side. Remove this 14mm, slide this up, remove the pins, and remove the brake pads. Just like that. Use this one, place the other one out, just like that. Push down the clips. Nice and slow. Until it's all the way back. Just like that. sure you push it all the way up until it meets the surface. Insert, 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 just like that. Boom, boom, slide that down, slide that in my front. I got the shit zoomed in. Go on my finger, thank you. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Go ahead and reinstall your tire, torque it down to spec, and you're all done.